In established locations, close to the centre of market towns like Newark, homes of this scale are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Period architecture, generous proportions, and the kind of flexibility that allows a property to evolve with the people living in it. At 71 London Road, those qualities come together in a home that offers far more than first impressions suggest. This beautiful period residence has been thoroughly reimagined as a substantial family home whilst retaining many of the original architectural features that make properties of this era so special. From the moment you step inside, the period detailing immediately sets the tone. The living room is a wonderful example of that character, centred around a log-burning stove and flooded with natural light from the walk-in bay. But like many great family homes, it's the kitchen that naturally becomes the focal point, with lovely Shaker-style units, a large central island, and plenty of space for dining and entertaining. Upstairs, the home continues to deliver generous proportions throughout. The principal bedroom enjoys its own ensuite and large bay window, whilst two further double bedrooms and an additional shower room provide comfortable accommodation for family and guests alike. One of the property's most valuable features sits on the lower ground floor. Completely self-contained, yet still connected to the main house, the annex opens up a range of possibilities. Currently operating successfully as guest accommodation, it could equally suit multi-generational living, independent family members, visiting guests, or simply provide additional living space as part of the main home. It's rare to find secondary accommodation that's this well integrated while still providing genuine independence. Outside, the gardens provide a wonderful contrast to the convenience of the location. Carefully landscaped and beautifully established, they're arranged as a series of zones to explore and enjoy. Formal lawns, cobbled pathways, mature planting, a greenhouse, water features, and secluded seating areas create a garden that feels both elegant and surprisingly private. Gardens like this take years to create and only moments to appreciate. There's a double garage and additional storage garage positioned on one of Newark's most established residential roads. This home enjoys easy access to everything Newark has to offer, from independent shops and restaurants to excellent transport connections, including direct rail access to the City of London. It's a location that combines convenience with a genuine sense of history. It's a beautiful period home, but the addition of the annex, the established gardens, and the generous accommodation create something that's increasingly difficult to find. A home with character, a home with flexibility, and a home that can adapt to whatever comes next. Welcome to 71 London Road.